When I eat chicken, would I eat piece of chicken right now?
Enough time to say that, you know.
Gosh. Oh my gosh. People, you see this?
Quality is our main thing. Consistency is the DNA. That's
Shalom, shalom. People, we back with another one. You know, I'm all about South Florida right now. I'm all about eating good food. I'm all about finding those secret locations. Guess what I found, y'all? Roots Bar and Cafe. Spot. Bud. Food. Bud. And I'm telling you all this because I already ate here. I say, yo, people want to know about that one because this one is not even known like that. It's known, but it's not known. It's one of those you have to, a secret location. So if you live in the South Florida area, if you live in Florida, if you live in the world, all right, that's where you're going to come visit. So I actually came a little early. I told the dude I was going to come, but I wanted to talk to y'all first. But we're getting an exclusive review. We going to the back. We're checking out everything. All of that, but that's what it is, guys. Roots Bar and Cafe. People, we're here in Roots Cafe, right?
Roots Bar and Cafe.
All right, Roots Bar and Cafe.
Yeah, man.
Your name?
Tafari, Buzzing.
Tafari, Buzzing. Oh, yeah. Top chef, owner?
Owner, top chef, everything.
Oh.
One all-rounder.
All right, that's enough.
Yeah,
so,
man.
Quick question.
Yeah, man.
How long you in the business, man?
I've been in the business about 10 plus years.
10 plus
you know
years?
What I mean? So, yeah. We're there from the start, you know what I mean, from scratch, and we still do it, you know what I mean, giving God thanks, you know what I mean. We've been in this location about 7 years now, going on 8, you know what I mean. But 2 years prior to that, we were at a different location.
How much location you have?
The only one.
This the only one?
Only one.
All right.
No, for now though, because you don't know we're going to have more, you know what I mean. The quality speaks for itself, so we just here try to venture out some more, you know what I mean.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, man. Rice and peas, and we have red rice and peas.
You know, some Jamaican restaurant offer the rice and peas.
All right.
If the rice and peas not cook good, you know?
You know it's not good.
Yeah.
Yes, the quality have to speak from the rice.
Yeah, tell her.
And everything in our restaurant is formulated. So every day we cook the same amount of rice with the same formula each day. Everything is measured. You know what I mean? We don't just go and throw food in a pot. We don't do that.
Yeah.
Everything measured and formulated to come down to one science. You know what I mean?
Right.
Yeah.
So what would you say you guys specialize in?
Well, we have our own style them. So for instance, the bang bang shrimp, anything bang bang is a main thing for us. Okay. So we have bang bang shrimp, bang bang salmon.
That's the most ordered?
Yeah.
Okay, bang bang. Okay.
Yeah, so anything if you do with the bang bang sauce is a favorite here.
Yeah.
Especially bang bang fish.
All right, and that one me will try today.
Yeah, man. Oh, yes, man.
And that one me will try.
Cool,
say it's special and that me will try.
Yes, man. And then you don't know, so we big pan with steam fish them. Wow. People buy a lot of steam fish from us because when you buy steam fish from Roots Bar and Cafe, it's like the most authentic way.
Trust me.
You know what I mean? Not too salty, you know what I mean? And we don't use no only for MSG season, all natural. Coconut cream and them thing there. We put corn, potato, pumpkin, we come with okra and all of these things that make it very festive, you know what I mean?
Man.
Yeah, man.
So you guys specialize in seafood, correct?
Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much. Because a lot of people come here for that. And most of our other things that we have is like ital food. So for instance, most people not eat meat, they can eat with us same way. You know what I mean? Because the ital food is top tier.
Man.
You know what I mean? You don't have to worry about getting it over salt or some cook and put on from this morning. Everything is made as you order. You know what I mean?
Not to see that. I know that. I know about the seafood part, but I know about that.
Yeah, man. The only thing we make and like have sit down time is more like the fried chicken and everything, because you know, so you have a fried chicken and then put it down.
So you sell fried chicken?
Yeah, man. We sell fried chicken, we sell barbie fried chicken, we sell onion chicken, we sell all kind of chicken, man. See me I say?
Scratch banning the people.
Just go no man, scallion and thyme, you know, and garlic, you know what I mean, in the rice. So it have that nice flavor there, coconut cream.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Alright. Man, definitely check. Look, you guys sell conch also?
Occasionally.
Okay.
So like for instance, if we have some customers who like conch, they will call us early and say, you know what, I'm coming down this weekend, have conch available.
Yeah.
So we'll make it available for them, and once them come, we cook it and give it to them. Because as I say, everything here is made to order pretty much.
Mad.
You see me I say? So we keep everything fresh and consistent. We
try have conch today?
I don't have conch today, but I can make it available if you give me an hour.
No, I'll come back to that one.
Alright, so if I come Tuesday, any day, come. You just call the phone and say, yo, I'm coming for the conch.
Yeah.
And I'll make it available.
Alright.
Because I say most of the people that want conch, all they do is call me.
Yeah.
Or they call the shop and say, we're coming in, and we'll make it available. You know what I mean?
Alright, so that me I'll do that.
And we make it bodies conch. We make everything the bodies. Rice, conch, chicken, fish, everything. And everything here is seasoned authentically. You know what I mean? We go to Jamaica every 2 months. To just restock on the seasoning.
Oh, so it's directly from Jamaica?
Yeah, man. We make everything ourselves.
Oh,
we have our
own
fish season, own chicken season, curry goat, oxtail season, all of that. We make it from scratch every time.
Right.
You know what I mean? Everything. Like when I finish, I'll show you what we do when we make the fish season. We make it in a big parcel. So now we could have it for like a month straight.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We used to sell seasoning also. Right now we're rebrand right now.
Yeah.
So we're rebrand the sauce business and the seasoning business. So that's gonna be the new 2020. What that? 2026?
2026.
Yeah.
26.
Yeah, man. I don't know. This year is a year where you have to look and try to make sure everything is connected and what you're doing is making sense. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So now we have the platform. We settle the restaurant where everything is formulated. So now all we have to do now is just incorporate the new changes and then we'll see the results coming forward. You know what I mean?
Alright, that's enough, man. A good look.
Yeah, man, we are trying our best, man. Because we are some young trying youth, you know? We're coming from nothing. We never have no rich uncle and a rich auntie, you know what I mean? So all we do is just take the plan from our grandmother and work with it.
Which part are you at?
Portmore.
Portmore?
Yeah, man, Portmore for sure. Big up the whole of Portmore. And big up the whole of Jamaica. We know that things rough right now down there, but God is with us and we'll get better over time, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright, let me drop. That's it. Because as I say, I grew up with her, she teach me this just visually. And even like she called me and say, yo, this is how you cook this. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It's just that you're being around and you get hands-on.
And you pick up.
Yeah. So from the hands-on, then you get older and you start see more, and you take your time and invest and build up yourself. And then we become this what we are today. So when the opportunity come, it probably came at my feet first where to make the changes. So what I did was try to be an example.
True.
You see me I say?
Yeah, man.
The whole of you them in my place, them know like me in a badness, me in a progression.
That's it,
simple.
simple.
If you want to get better, I'll help you. But if you don't want that, I can't help you. We just add some cornstarch to it, we thicken it up and give it a nice base. So when you get it now in the noodles, it's not running, but it more absorbs the noodles. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And next to me we have red pea soup cooking right there.
Red pea soup. What kind of meat?
No meat.
No meat?
The thing with our shop is...
Alright, may I try that?
Yeah, man. Most 90% of our soup them have no meat because most people who eat here, they're not like meat mouths. So we sell most, we supply, our supply and demand, it's to the people that are really in our meat.
I like that.
You understand?
You're Bill a #1 fan right there.
Man.
Because I have more time when I don't eat not even fish,
Brother, I tell you, alright, we have corn soup, we have fish tea, we have seafood soup, and we have red pea soup. And that's it. We don't do no other soup because the meat mouth, them I say to you, if a man come here and say he don't eat seafood, and we still drink the seafood soup because he don't want a seafood night.
Yeah.
You understand what I say? Because we have conky knife, we have all mussels, all of them things. You know? And fish and salmon. So him not gonna really just stay for that. He rather drink some broth and don't start eat that. But a man will eat, don't eat meat, he not go drink a chicken soup.
No.
No matter what, he not go drink the red pea soup with the beef tonight.
And you know, so I tried that one time, and boy, my belly hot, my belly slung in the bathroom.
Yes, man, you can't do it.
We said, no,
wickedness.
Yeah.
Wickedness come down.
I'm a cousin, I have a cousin who shave. He said, no man, no meat no night. I said, a chicken soup. He said, no, the meat no eat, but I take up and make sure no meat no night. So, oh God, big mistake.
Yeah man. And me a man, me understand how people eat. It's because me no eat meat either.
Yeah.
Me understand, so me try no make it that way then. Me try to leave it away where me know say everybody can still come and eat and enjoy.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, because soup is a thing of universal. Just like I said to you, a man we don't want no meat tonight, but yet still he will drink a seafood soup and drink the broth.
True,
he may drink a pea soup without the meat. But he not drink it with the meat in there if he not eat meat.
No.
You understand? So we just
whole flour mix.
Yeah man, and we make our own thing man. We have them in bulk load. Look, this is how we do it every time.
Well
So if you want, this can use the fried chicken, fried fish, shrimp, anything fried, anything buttered. This can be used for it. And it's way better than all them beer buttered stuff. And you don't have to use no egg in this for this one to work. So all the people that don't like egg, don't like milk, this is the butter you can use. Roots bar and cafe butter, you know what I mean? Yeah, for sure. Fry some chicken and dip them in the bed. So now you guys gonna see how the flour really works. Since you guys haven't seen it, we're gonna show you. Everything, make sure say all of the chicken is coated. Once it's coated, then we can add it to the basket. Simple. Lift up all the skin, make sure so the flour go under it, and every area being covered.
So you don't make breakfast?
Only on Sundays. So this Sunday we're gonna open for brunch from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. this Sunday.
So what's on the breakfast?
We have ackee and saltfish, we have kalaloo and saltfish, we have butter bean and saltfish, we have chicken and waffles, we have brown provisions. Why else? Am I missing anything? And then we're gonna have shrimp and waffles. Then we still gonna have like the same the lunch menu. So we're gonna have the steamed fish, the brown soup fish, and all of that with rice and peas, steamed veg and all of that. But when we start off with the brunch first.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
All right. Just on Sunday.
Yeah, man. Right?
Okay, 10 minutes.
10 minutes. And we set, start. Right? And that's all we do. We just make them go and settle in the aisle. Eventually everything will be covered. Once it's covered, then we start shaking. Don't you see rice them, boss? When you're done, you can come examine the rice. And they're ready. You can come check the rice them, man. That's how we do it.
Rice ready.
Yeah, man. Every day. Same vibes. Nothing different. So I say, no hard grains, no watery grains. Everything is set in stone.
Alright, ready man.
Yeah man, ready.
Beauty.
Done after that. Champagne,
Beauty.
everything.
Alright, chicken look good.
That's cool, no, man.
Chicken look good.
That's cool, no, man. I'm going to tell you a formula and time. So, we don't know. We are going in the oven. And you're going to see them when they come out. One more level after the 8 minutes. Same thing every day. This is what we do every single day. Every day of our life. Yeah, man. Once it's chicken, that's how we get it done. And we just slide this tray right in here. Just like that.
10 over here, 8 over there.
Yes.
Gotcha.
And let it steam because our customers like it idle. Them like it whereas season that overpowering in life.
Yeah.
So we don't want to ruin them day. This is our balanced all meal. You know what I mean?
So no seasoning.
No seasoning. Just steaming with butter and a little liquid butter. That's it.
Mad.
None. And you can't tell we don't put any seasoning on there. You can't. That is that good.
All right.
Yeah.
Come on, go now.
Alright, so right here, we're gonna split this batch of chicken into two, right?
Right.
We're gonna do, what do you say, 70% of it barbie fry, because we sell a lot more barbie fry than honey hot. So we're gonna start off with more barbie fry than honey hot, and then we're gonna do the fried chicken last. The fried chicken is what we take from over there.
Okay.
One barbie fry.
Made in house.
Yeah, made in house, by us, for you. All right? And this is the onion sauce. This one is one that we buy from the store.
Onion?
The honey hot.
Oh, honey hot. Okay.
Yeah, so the reason why we have an onion sauce now is because the idea of having a fried chicken franchise or a business that sells fried chicken, you have to have a sweet and a more spicier flavor. So the onion would be the spicier, this would be the sweeter flavor, whereas subtle for kids, adults who don't like spice, this one if you like a little tangy spice, then you will go the onion roll.
Right.
You understand what I'm saying? So
right.
when we build it, we start fried chicken, barbie fry, onion hot. You understand? But all of them are top sellers. The only difference is that, as I said, because this one is more savor, the barbie fry, it gives everybody an equal opportunity then. It's not too hot and it's not too, you know?
Yeah.
So it's more flavorful for kids, adults, everybody. Whereas the honey hot now, it will push a little bit more heat at you. You know what I mean? And it's not nothing that you can't bear, but you know, it's not everybody like that. So we just want to make that clear about.
Makes sense.
Yeah. So now when we sauce them, we're gonna sauce everything. And once we done sauce, then we put them in the oven to complete the last round of it. Alright, so once we do that, then we move it out of the way, put it over here, so because all we're doing is just sauce it. Just sauce it and move, dip and go.
The chicken look good enough.
Dipping and
If
go.
we eat chicken, would I eat piece of chicken right
You
now?
know, enough time you say that to you know.
Reconsider
No,
people.
I'm telling you, enough time. Enough time me I make you, me I say to me, I say, John, if I eat chicken, I tell you, what I do with this chicken at some time.
Well, you must use to the hot chicken, man, because you just grab the chicken.
But I tell you, say, I do this a while now, so
Yeah.
the heat and them thing don't really affect me again in the kitchen. Unless something burn me. Like,
I want to watch one man on YouTube named Ras Moko.
yeah, man, I'm watching it, you know.
Ras Moko.
Yeah, man, I know that.
Using beer hand.
I mash up him and mash up Rasmako.
Yeah, man, me see it.
And
man.
that's a corruption. Yeah, man, that's the barbie fry. That chicken just finished.
Yeah.
That chicken only need 8 more minutes to be completed. So once everything goes in now,
Yeah.
after the 8 minutes, everything comes out. So it's just one formula. You understand what I'm saying?
Right,
so
right,
you see,
right.
we don't have to be doing different and separate timing. Once you fry it this way, everything works out in your favor.
Mad.
You know what I'm saying? It's like a whole formula you build from start to finish.
See there.
You understand? Because every part of it works together. You know, when the chicken finish, this one finished perfect timing to go with everything. So everything that's in there now is gonna go on that 8-minute timer, and then everything is finished. Complete. Every single ounce of the chicken. So we don't have to go back in the chicken anymore. We're done with the chicken.
Chicken done.
Done. After the 8 minutes we're done. See timer there? We have 7 minutes and 50 seconds.
Right.
And that's it. Then everything is ready to serve. You understand?
Formula. One formula.
That's formula. We only work with formula here. Guys, franchising is coming soon. I'm telling you, it's gonna be the best. It's gonna be the best Jamaican restaurant to ever franchise. Where formula is our main thing. Quality is our main thing. Consistency is the DNA. That's it. That's it.
Simple.
Yeah, like that. Just like.
The rice of people.
Yeah, man.
My rice is enough.
Take it next.
So, what's your job here?
Those are my social. All of the cook the order.
That's it, my boy. One let's do that. Yeah, but that's someone who can take interview, man. Money, what's up? Money, you know, so you never repost a food from a page yet. You need to go on the page. Let them know you work.
What boss?
Are your friends? Let them come by. You need to repost us, please. I could get you to do it, I could get someone to do it.
What's your name?
You don't know. You probably want everything to go.
Monet, like money?
I want him to take everything there, right?
What's your job here?
I could get yourself over. You understand what I'm saying? So you ask him and make him tell you.
Okay, so you the boss.
More put this some on them now.
You the boss. We know.
Done. I'm gone, I'm here.
All right.
Tell him it's more than put another one there instead.
Behind the scene. I actually came here before the store opened. So, but I'm gonna make you see the customers them too. But it's the behind the scene. Food look good. Can't wait to eat.
It's not like that.
Lobster? I bet that mad, but I'm gonna eat lobster.
A lot of people are allergic to shellfish.
Yeah.
Move up to the lobster, yeah, man. Them love bang lobster here, man. You don't want me to go to armchair with science, or you want me to like pasta. Exactly, and this is the sauce. Bang sauce.
Bang sauce.
Sweet, but I'm going to cook it.
Mad.
Yeah, that's the ready version. Ready now.
Onion fried chicken, people.
Say it like that.
Yeah,
they
me
say
say
the
onion
same
fried
thing.
chicken. I be an onion, me I say onion fried chicken, people. Honey hot. Barbie fried, people. All right, people. We have a soup, red pea soup, no meat. Matter of fact, all of them soup have no meat. So this is just before we get the main course, right? So I ordered the bang bang snapper. That's coming next. Let me tell y'all how this is. Hold on. Like I'm blessed with food first, huh? Let's go. Look at that. Slow it down a little bit. Come in. Oh my. People. I'm not exaggerating, not because I'm here. Just doing a review. The soup bite. I'm gonna just take one spoonful of it. The flavor is good. Hold on. Oh my gosh. I'm getting this every week. The bite. Uh-oh, okra. So, bud. Oh, see it there. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. People, you see this? Oh, I don't know where to start. I'm finish up my soup. Look at this. Oh, this bud. They gave me so much food, and this is how much they really give them. This is how much they really give you, because I was here last week. Matter of fact, look at the video. I'm gonna show you the video. But I was here last week, and I thought they hooked me up. They gave me a whole fish and a half a fish. That's how they come, and the price is reasonable too. Price is reasonable. I don't remember. I think it's like 25. I'll give you the price. This is a lot of food. And food, but.
Oh, by the way, for those who don't understand Jamaican lingo, bud is a good thing. I don't know why I keep saying food bud. I forget that my viewers are all over. I think but bad, when I say bud, as in bad, it's a good thing. The food is delicious. That's what I'm saying.
I don't even know where to start. Like I said, I judge every Jamaican restaurant off their rice. If they can't cook rice, more than likely they can cook. The rice is good. Fish. People, I'm known as the curry boss, right? I am the curry boss. The bang bang, bang banging. Bang bang good. I don't know. I might be the bang bang boss. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of food. And they didn't just do this because of me. It was like this last week also. All right, potato salad. Potato salad is good. Let me tell you something. It's very rare you find a Jamaican spot that the potato salad is actually good. Potato salad is good. We're not too good for potato salad and macaroni and cheese. I wonder if they make macaroni and cheese. We'll have to find out. We'll have to find out. Don't pay me no mind, I'm eating. My tongue, my taste buds are jumping crazy. I'm gonna have to take some of this to go. There's a lot of food. People, I'm a little full. Soup done. I ate like the fish, the half of fish, half of the rice, half of potato salad. I definitely suggest the Bang Bang Snapper. The Bang Bang Snapper is it. I never had that flavor combined like that. Excuse me. It's good. I'm giving y'all another secret location, another secret spot. Come check them out. Roots Bar and Cafe. You can't go wrong, you come right there, so. Can't go wrong. Cannot go wrong. I'm telling you. Food body. Boss. Yo. Food bad. I know food don't give me food bad. I'm not even touch this yet.
Get that to-go box, bro, right now.
Yeah, man, we need that to go back.
Right
Food
now,
bad, man.
you don't need this.
Yeah. All right, yeah. Hold on. Let me finish up my soup first. It's bad though.
Two of them small boxes, we separate the rice from the...
I like going one place, so. One place.
And drop the fish.
Yeah. Respect, man. Let's load this up. I want a whole dinner this. Good word. Bend it up, that's all.
Yeah, that's been it up, man.
Ah. And this is the best part, I'm not even touch that yet. I gotta go thank the chef. Chef!
Where you go?
Boy. Food bad.
Alright.
When I say bad, it's bad. I'm a crave, you know.
That's cool, man.
Me balance the soup. And me go over to the fish though. I say, alright, me balance that one now. Me only get half of the fish.
That's all matter.
And half of the rice.
That's all, brother. Listen. That's why I know you come do your own.
A bad man. So yeah, again, watch out now. Tell the people then what's going on, what's the hours, when we come in, what's the specialty.
Yeah, so guys, check it out. So we open Tuesday to Thursday from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. On Fridays, 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. Right. Saturday is the same hours as Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, which is 11 to 9. On Sundays, we have brunch every other Sunday from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. Our brunch is amazing. It's a yard and foreign kind of style of brunch. So you can come get your authentic Jamaican food and then you get American breakfast. We have chicken and waffles. Sometimes we have French toast. Sometimes we have, grits and them little things. But you don't know. Check us out, man. We are the ones. Come see us for a quality meal, quality time, a quality experience. This is Roots Bar and Cafe, and this is your chef. Take it away.
What's the location?
Yeah, so that too. 7168 North University Drive in Tamarac. On off University, right across from the University Hospital. We are right next to the University Gym. We're in Tamarac. You know what I mean? We're in the Jewelry Exchange Plaza. Come on in, man. This is the place you want to be and get some quality food. This is Roots Bar and Cafe. 7168 North University Drive, Tamarac, Florida. And the phone numbers are 954-532-0802 or 954-532-0802. And that's Roots Bar and Cafe again. That's us. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, Yelp, all those websites, and we'll be there. Our website should be coming up soon. I appreciate you guys. Check out Roots Bar and Cafe.
Alright. You have anything?
Give them something.
That's everything good.
I guess I forget that.
Alright. Alright, people, there you have it.
Yeah, man.
Roots and Cafe. What, Roots and Cafe?
Roots Bar and
Roots
Cafe.
Bar and Cafe. I gotta get it right. Roots
Yeah,
Bar
and
Cafe.
Yeah,
People, it's a must.
it's a must.
It's a must, trust me. Especially the bang bang snapper. But remember say me a curry boss, I'm known for curry. And the bang bang snapper is beating the curry. The curry bad too, I come eat curry snapper last week and the curry is bad. Make sure you come check them out on University. You can't miss it because first of all, you just look for the University Gym right next door. It's a place to be. Trust me. I'm out.
I'm out.